JJ has your sweet potatoes. Huh?
Good, was look good. You want more? Do you want more or no? Are you done? Want to eat your fingers instead? Got any sweet potato hiding under those chins? You want some more? Or are you done? Good, Mama gonna put it away. Okay. Go ahead. Would you like some sweet potato with your bib? Would you like some sweet potato with your fingers?
He wants a side of sweet potato with his bib.
With those little chicken fingers? With those little chicken fingers? You want more? Or you done? Okay. We're getting ready to go, dude. Are you mad? Are you mad?